And cameras can do a lot nowadays. The Marriott Hotel on the island came up with a clever way to promote the island as well as their property in a very unique fashion. Last week, the second edition of the Vloggers Film Festival was held. This is one of the videos that was submitted for the Vloggers Film Festival. 4 video bloggers, together with 4 journalists, were paired up in teams of 2 and were invited by the Aruba Marriott Resort to capture the essence of the destination of Aruba and the resort on video. The groups received the assignment to film and edit the content in 3 days and presented at the Vloggers Film Festival on day 4. Each team used their own creativity to showcase what they thought of the island. A judges panel of 4 was invited to choose the best video based on the criteria of creativity, uniqueness, ability to showcase the resort, and create curiosity for others. Now, each of the videos can be viewed on the Aruba Marriott's YouTube channel as well as their Facebook page.